Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. So today I'm going to share with you all my recipe of my version of shrimp spring rolls. Right, we're going to start by sauteing our ingredients first, getting the filling ready for the spring roll, and then I'll show you all how to wrap and how I fry. Right, so we're going to put a little oil, sesame oil. We're going to fry our onions, garlic, some ginger, some carrots, let these ingredients sweat a little bit. We're going to add some sweet peppers now. Some fine spice. Our shrimp. You want to add the cabbage last, so you don't want the cabbage to overcook and become too mushy. You want it to still have a little bite on it in the spring roll. Salt. You allow the shrimp to cook, not too tough, just tender enough, because remember we're still going to fry it and we don't want to overcook the shrimp too much. Add the cabbage. While doing this, we can have our oil for frying. We could have it up and have it starting to heat up. So it'll be ready for us to fry when we're finished with making the spring rolls. Now, we let the cabbage cook for about a minute and then we switch off and then we start the filling process of the spring roll. Right, now we would have finished our filling for the spring roll. We're going to wrap them now. So we're going to use our egg wash. You can use your hand, it's fine. Or you could use a brush if you don't want to. You use your hand. Just brush the edges. You use it for the egg wash is to kind of bind the spring roll skin together when we fold. We try not to fill it too much to burst the skin. Right. Roll, fold in the edges. And then you roll again. Right, now we're ready to fry. Make sure your oil is hot enough so when you put it in, it starts to fry one time versus having the oil soak up in the wonton skin, the spring roll skin. Right, we fry until you see the spring roll skin turn golden brown and then we remove onto our cooling rack. I'm going to show you all how I do my dipping sauce that I usually use to dip my spring roll with. So we're going to add some rice, vinegar, some soy sauce, some fish sauce, some oyster sauce, some sesame seed, and some Chive.
Yep.